Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's see GBPJPY analysis today. The market is opening in probably in an hour or so. Um, so let's see what's happening. So let's start with our monthly chart, and just going to draw the trend line here. And you can see the clear monthly trend. Right, it's a monthly trend line, so I'll give it a red color. Also, there's a monthly resistance here, support, sorry, give it a red color as well. There's support here as well. And this is another support, and this is a resistance, and resistance here as well. Right. This is the one. So for our purpose, that's enough for now. And the trend is clearly to the downside because of this monthly trend line rejecting the price, and also it's a confluence of resistance level. So it's a strong rejection, and that's why the prices are coming down. As I have seen last week, the GBPJPY has been in selling mode, as same in weekly time frame, same situation. But let's see, let's dig down it more deeply and see what the situation is more in weekly time frame and smaller time frames, because monthly, weekly, and daily can help us to find out the direction. But the smaller time frame, we can in smaller time frame we can get entries. So let's see here in week. There's a clear trend line here in weekly, which was broken. Right. So this is a fake breakout here, fake breakout. So all right, this is weekly. So let's give it a different color, yellow color. So I keep colors, different colors for each, so that it's easy to understand when we do our analysis. Now, there's another, there's a resistance support level here. Plus, it's a weekly, give it a yellow color. And this is also weekly support as well. So there's already a red line in this level, resistance level, which we drew in monthly. So we'll leave it as it is. Now, just look closely what's happening here. Right. Also, we can see here that this trend line in weekly has been broken. All right. Or we can see, if you want to take it from here, that's probably better. But anyway, it has been broken because, and it has retested this area here. This is strong confluence zone of monthly and monthly trend line and the monthly resistance level, which is around about how many pips? 156 and 100 pip area is a strong area. Right. Now the situation arises here. What is going to happen next? The trend is to the, as you can see, there is another trend line can be made here, which is clearly showing the pressure to the downside. So the prices can easily come down up to this level, which is around 149 area. So at the moment the price is 151.38, but they easily can come 149, which is almost how many? Let's check it again. 149 and this 15. Yeah, about 200 pips, slightly less. So we still have about 200 pips move, which can be made by GBPJPY to this level. So how to catch that movement? That is the challenge. To do that, let's dig down even further in 4-hour chart. Actually, let's go daily first and see what the situation builds up here. Right, interesting. In daily, this trend line, it still follows this trend line, this yellow trend line, which is the weekly trend line. And as we can see that we can draw another trend line here. Give it daily, I give it normally white color. So this is another trend line, yes. But it's following this line. And also there's a daily yeah, there's a daily support level here as well. In fact, let's draw the box here. Daily is white color. So it's this box on this level. That's where the prices are standing at the moment. And I can see that price has moved up, down, and we can see a little bit more down, then up, and then we could further this yellow, which is weekly support area, could come up to here. So if that's broken, then we can see further movement. So I expect the price to come on to this yellow, which is weekly support line quite easily. But how we gonna take our entry? That's the whole thing. In terms of entry, we can take our entry. In fact, there's an entry right now because the prices have bounced back from just by the trend line here in 4 hour, looking at 4 hour. Let's see what's happening in 1 hour. Yeah, similar situation in 1 hour. 1 hour is another trend line in 1 hour. I normally for 1 hour use blue color. So yes, let's say blue color for 1 hour. Yeah. So in 1 hour, there's a trend line here as well. And Yeah. So we're going back to 4 hours. We can take our entry. We could have taken our entry here, but now in 1 hour it's retesting this level. Uh, this let's use this level here. Uh, okay, this blue line. So we can definitely take it entry here because it's retesting this in 1 hour. And also, as I said, in 4 hours has broken it. So I expect the prices to go down, and our stop loss could be here, around this area. We can take a risk, or we can wait for the prices to go to retest completely. But anyway, we have to take a risk, and our profit is around this 150.7. Yeah, 150.70. And if we take entry now, which is 151.44, 151.52 to 150.71. It's about 80 pips. So we can take a risk from here to 151.15. Yeah, about 30, 40. Yeah, we can take 40 pips risk, or even 30 pips risk, and there's 80p in profit. So risk to reward is almost double. I mean, if it hopefully it will retest it here, which is about 15-20 pip risk, but we can to be more secure, we can put extra stop loss and then let the position run, and hopefully it will reach 150.80. That's the situation for this entry. So I hope this will work for you guys, and that's it for now. I'll leave it at this. Always keep your lines marked, guys, and this is a good learning practice as well. There's a lot of different ways to check and to make sure entry is correct. You can practice that as well. I hope that is okay, and it's hope it's helpful for you. And thank you very much, and goodbye.